Today we'll learn how to create a checkerboard pattern using Python. Let's break this down step by step. Our goal is to create a program that generates a checkerboard pattern of any size. For example, here's what a 5 by 5 checkerboard should look like. Let's create our Python function. We'll define a function called create_checkerboard that takes the size n as a parameter. First, we'll create an empty 2D list to store our board. Next, we'll create the top border of our checkerboard. We append a list starting with a plus sign, followed by n dashes, and ending with another plus sign. Then we'll create the middle rows. For each row, we append a vertical bar, n spaces, and another vertical bar. We do this n times. Finally, we add the bottom border, which is identical to the top border. Now comes the interesting part. We'll create the checkerboard pattern by filling in asterisks. We loop through the interior rows and columns and place an asterisk wherever the sum of row and column indices is even. Finally, we print the board by joining and displaying each row. And there's our completed checkerboard pattern.